It was designed to be the ultimate recycling tool, a microscopic swarm that could erase the junk of war.
But the swarm didn't distinguish between trash and treasure. It only knew hunger. 100,000 tons of reinforced steel, the most powerful fortress on the sea. The mist arrived in total silence. No radar detected it. No alarm sounded. At a molecular level, the attack was instantaneous.
Centuries of metallurgical strength, unmade in seconds.
The world was becoming soft. The iron was surrendering.
It spread like a virus. A biological hunger for inorganic matter.
Silicon, copper, gold. Nothing was safe.
The ship was losing its eyes. The silence was becoming absolute. The fortress was opening itself up to the void. The very floor was vanishing beneath their feet. Firepower was reduced to dust. The arsenal was now an altar of rust. The engines choked on the remains of their own glory. The wings of the Navy were clipped by an invisible hand.
Intelligence was the next casualty. The digital brain was dying.
The steel bark was gone. The bite was next.
Safety was an illusion. The cure was being eaten by the plague, a bullseye of decay, the center of the storm.
The command was blind. The end was inevitable. The skeleton was being picked clean.
A billion tiny mouths, working in perfect, terrifying harmony. The symbol of the nation was the only thing the virus wouldn't eat.
Even the deep offered no protection. The hunger followed the steel. Propulsion was a memory. The giant was now a raft. The ocean began to enter, not through holes, but through the absence of matter. Everyday life was being erased, one tray at a time. Gravity and decay were in a race. The air itself was filled with the shrapnel of a dying ship. The nervous system was severed, total paralysis. It wasn't just a virus. It was a predator with a collective soul.
The maps remained. The world they represented was changing.
The last alarm was a whisper. The Atlantic was being dyed by the blood of the machine. A masterpiece of destruction. A monument to the invisible.
The lifeblood of the machine, spilled on a grave of sand.
The seat of power was now a pile of powder.
Armor was now just a suggestion.
They followed the paths of energy, seeking the richest harvest.
The storm only made them hungrier.
Names were lost to the hunger. Wealth had no value to the swarm.
The ghosts of the sky returning to the earth.
Transparency in the midst of ruin.
The elements were taking back what was theirs. The spine was broken. The feast moved on. One giant was not enough.
The digital world was losing its anchors.
The virus was intimate.
A graveyard of particles.
The moon watched the silent execution.
The heart was the last to go. Pressure from within.
An open-air tomb.
Anchored to nothing.
Satiated for a moment.
The magnitude of the loss was visible from space.
The sea is a patient eraser.
Direction was lost in the magnetic storm.
A new day for a world made of dust.
The last flight.
Physics was the final prisoner.
The name was being deleted. They weren't dying. They were evolving.
The virus was building its own world.
The deep was being repaved in orange.
The arteries were hollow.
The heart's metal was pure. The infection was ready to go global. The harvest was just beginning.
Design in the decay.
No one left to steer. A light that signals the end. The sea has no memory of the Titan. First contact.
The bridge to the future was breaking.
The time of man was over.
The digital age erased.
The city of steel turned to a city of sand.
The planetary infection.
Life returns to the ruins of the machine.
The last breath of the old world.
The merger is complete.
The era of the swarm has begun. Everything is new again.
Nature redefined by the virus.
The Earth is no longer a rock.
100,000 tons of steel, reduced to a ghost of particles. In the world of the ship was just the appetizer. The virus has reached the shore. Subscribe to track the swarm. The era of the machine is over.
Hello everyone, this invisible hunger is the ultimate engineering nightmare. Which part of the destruction was your favorite? Let me know below. Hit the subscribe button for more Titan scale mysteries. Thanks for watching Rising Story USA.